Today I'm going to show you how to remix anything you want because you're too lazy to write your own shit.
Something about being honest must make you sick. I've never heard an apology come out your lips. You act so unaware, but I know better. You live in fantasy so you don't have to get hurt, but I'm done falling for it. I've known you for too long, wish I could just ignore you, but I don't think I'm that strong. I keep coming back cause I hope that you'll prove me wrong. But every time you make up a story, you think I'll believe, and you take advantage of my heart out of my sleeve. Cause you know I'd miss you if I tried to leave. So why, when you say that you'll try, do you choose to lie? You choose to lie.
Go follow her on Instagram or something because I didn't exactly ask for permission to do this. By the way, it would be a great help if you subscribe. I'm almost at 300 and it's kind of motivational for making more stuff like this. So, this vocal is not at 150 BPM, and as we all know, that's going to be a problem. In fact, I've got no clue what the BPM is, so I might need to find that out. Oh, by the way, the sharper minds might have figured out that this project is far from being empty, and that's because I'm lying to you, because I kind of already did the remix and I also know the BPM. So this is the vocal.
Something about being honest must make you sick.
And it's not 150 BPM and it triggers the fuck out of me. So, to find out the BPM, there are a few techniques I like to try, or I like to do. First, I'm trying to find the first note where the chords actually start, so that was easy. Normally it starts like after a few words, or maybe, I don't know, it's different, but
something about being honest must make you sick.
Okay, now we need to carefully listen and try to tap in your head or on the desk the BPM you think it is. So
something about being honest must make you sick. I've never heard it.
You get the point. And then when you did that, maybe try it in this.
Something about being honest must make you sick. I've never heard an apology.
This will not help you get the exact BPM it is, but it will get you close, and that's good enough so you can dial it in from there.
Something about being.
Then we're going to enable the metronome.
Something about being honest must make you sick. I've never.
Yeah, I think the start is wrong, or the second chord at least.
Something about being honest must make you sick. I've never heard an apology.
I'm gonna line up, let's say this one, and then just look to any other points. Try to match that. I think about this will do it.
Something about being honest must make you sick. I've never heard an apology come out your lips. You act so unaware, but I know better. You live in fantasy so you don't have to get hurt.
Okay, that sounds pretty okay to me. I think this is the BPM. And with I think, I mean I know already, because again, I'm lying to you, I did this before. As you might notice further along in the song,
Wish I could just ignore you.
she screws up by a lot. So we need to cut and time it ourselves, which is just great.
Wish I could just ignore you, but I don't think I'm that.
If this was just an a cappella, like just the vocals, it wouldn't be a problem. Since she's also playing piano during this, you will really hear it when I cut a bit.
Wish I could just ignore you, but I don't think I'm that strong. I keep
You get the point. It's a lot of this and a lot of headaches. I'm gonna fast forward from here. Okay, got it. This is close enough.
something about being honest. You live in fantasy, so you don't have to get hurt. But I'm done falling for it. I've known you for too long. Wish I could just ignore you, but I don't think I'm that.
Yeah, this sounds terrible. Luckily we have a way to fix this. Enabling the effects, mainly reverb and delay.
But I know better. You live in fantasy, so you don't have to get hurt. But I'm done falling for it. I've known you for too long. Wish I could just ignore you, but I don't think I'm that strong.
There are a lot of ways to get the vocal to the right BPM. What I did is I just got the vocal like this, stretched this to the point I wanted, like something clear, like 18 or something. Then up to the BPM, and with the stretch tool enabled, I dragged it back to 18. Now this will do a lot of wonderful things. First of all, it will speed up the vocal.
I keep coming back 'cause I hope that you'll prove me wrong.
Great. But it will also fuck the pitch up. So just reset. Even though it isn't really dialed in. This will fix the pitch. So I'll cut it up at the right BPM. It sounds like this.
Something about being honest must make you sick. I've never heard an apology come out your lips. You act so unaware, but I know better.
We need to make chords. So for this, my usual technique is just listening and trying to find the right notes to it. And that's just tedious work for the first part, and then it's mostly copy and paste.
Something about being honest must.
What you could do, you could try to make the melody of the vocal first before you're doing the chords, if you think it helps you. It helped me a lot of times, but for now I'm going hardcore because it's hardstyle, so obvious.
Something.
I'm pretending that I don't know the root note of this track.
Something about being honest. Something about being honest must make you.
Shut the fuck up.
Something about being honest must make you sick. Something about being honest must make you sick. I've never heard an apology.
Okay, now we got kind of the bass line done for at least a bit. The technique is over the whole thing the same, so I'm not gonna bother do the whole thing. Quick chords one-on-one, because a lot of beginners struggle with this. A chord is a harmony of three different notes that work together. And with different notes I mean really different notes. So a G4 and a G3, it's both the G, so it will count as one note. So get three notes that work together in a harmony, and there are a lot more rules on this and things you can do to help you, but I'm not gonna bother explaining that because D-Tunez did that.
Something about being honest must. Something about being honest must. Something about being honest must.
Something I will add, you can do this either on complete theory knowledge, or you can teach yourself to learn how to work on your ears, and that's the thing I did. It is a bit harder to start, I think, because you have no clue how to start. But in the end, I think it can help you greatly with things that you might not know the theory of, or maybe experimenting with new things. So I recommend doing it on your ears and no using of scales or whatever, or scale finders, or just use your ears. I think it's the better way to make chords and melodies and anything. So here are all the chords from this vocal.
Something about being honest.
Excuse me.
Something about being honest must make you sick. I've never heard an apology come out your lips. You act so unaware, but I know better.
right here I increased the bass a bit with a cello. That's just something of taste. Now we need to make a melody.
Make up a story you think I'll believe, and you take advantage of my heart out of my sleeve. 'Cause you know I'd miss you if I tried to leave.
Oh, shut up. I've done a whole video on layering before, so I'm not going to go into too much detail, but these are just 4 layers. Now, since it's kind of a spacey, very vibey track, I also made an ARP. And this is just a repeating pattern, pattern I made based on the chords. So, really basic shit. So I almost explained how to do the percussion, because I think it's a very underrated element. But I'm going to do a build-up tutorial soon, and I'll cover it in way more detail there. So, without further ado, here's the end result.
Something about being honest must make you sick. I've never heard an apology come out your lips. You act so unaware, but I know better. You live in fantasy, so you don't have to get hurt. I'm done falling for it. I've known you for too long. I wish I could trust it.